Welcome back to another exciting episode. Skip Smith is going to take us into what's called a neighborhood rec center. And this is Manatee. So come along with me and see what we can see.
Got long hair, hangs halfway down their back. And watch them when they're talking and stuff, moving. It's all about flipping the hair, doing this all the time. Constantly. So if that hair bothers you so much, ponytail it, put it under a hat, or cut it off.
Yep.
Hey, I have wine braided.
These are what you might want to call party houses.
Okay.
Yeah. That's where pool tables. You know, I'm always amazed how flowers seem to grow really well in a sandy soil. For wintertime, for fall, they'll put a whole different batch of flowers in there.
Now here is the family pool. As you first walk up, you'll see it on the left. Now again, this is the family pool that you can bring the kids. And if you notice over there, they do have handicap accessibility for those people who need a little help getting into the pool. Hello, sir. Now, when you do walk in, the first thing is there's usually a lady or a gentleman sitting right here, and they will ask for your guest ID and a photo ID. So that's just normal procedure. Don't take any personal offense. That's just how they control the flow of people going into the rec centers. And in here you do have pool tables. And as you can see, obviously this is beach themed. They have all kinds of neat art on the wall, theming. Every rec center has its own theming, and it is huge rooms. And from my understanding, you can rent these out for your own personal parties. But most of the time, of course, you have to do that in between different activities. So activities do come first. And if you need it, they do have a full kitchen, not just a warm-up kitchen like we saw at one of the other rec centers. This is a full kitchen. Well, except for an actual stove. Oh no, they do have a stove. I guess for warm-ups, but I don't see any stove tops. So just be aware. Now this would be a setup for a card activity or art activity of some sort. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.
Bye, guys.